Who is asking, what is my one-on-one coaching comprised of? You see, like, okay. Oh yeah, basically, is it related to Facebook strategy than marketing ones? Facebook strategy, yes. Marketing wise, of course, I'll be able to advise you from a certain angle. But then again, so the next question Cool has here is, do I have experience in dropshipping online fashion jewelry? My answer is no. I don't run so-called stores online and all this kind of thing. I only run my own. But to be frank, I have several jewelry coaches, as in like online jewelry shop, but it's not drop shipping. We understand that drop shipping and store owner or brand owner are different thing, but very simple. If you're doing drop shipping, if you're comfortable with the kind of like revenue or so-called the commission or margin that you're getting, then of course I think you can do. If not, then maybe it's a different scenario. But if the question is about, do I have experience in jewelry industry, the answer is yes.